Hello friends! Today, let's read and make pancakes. Pancakes. Let's make pancakes. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar. We'll also need 1 whisk, 1 spatula, 2 mixing bowls, 1 plate, 1 measuring cup, 1 mixing spoon, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 ladle, 1 greased frying pan. Step 1. Mix together the dry ingredients in 1 bowl. Scoop the baking powder, pour the sugar, add the flour, spoon in the salt. Step 2. Whisk together the wet ingredients in the other bowl. Pour the milk. Measure and melt the butter. Crack the egg. Step 3. Stir the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients with the mixing spoon to make the batter. Step 4. Ladle the batter into separate circles in the hot buttered frying pan. Step 5. Flip the pancakes with the spatula when the tops begin to bubble. Step 6. When both sides are browned, stack the finished pancakes on a plate. Add butter, syrup, fruit, jam, lemon juice, honey, or whipped cream and taste what you've made. Delicious! Thank you, friends, for making and reading pancakes with me. See you next time. Bye!